My name's Andrew Scott. I'm the Executive Development Chef for Wadworth Co. My job entails looking after 19 of the managed houses across the estate, designing the menus and training the head chefs. Today I'm going to make chicken, bacon, tarragon and creme fraiche pie using the Knorr Professional chicken bouillon jelly. I chose this bouillon jelly for this dish because it has a great rich chicken flavour. It's a really easy product just to go to. The Knorr jelly has no allergens to declare, so it's not a headache when planning any dishes or new recipes. Preheat a frying pan on the stove and add some vegetable oil, and then sear off the diced chicken and season as we go with salt and pepper. Then I'm going to add the streaky bacon into a dry hot pan and render the fat out of it and get some caramelisation. Any of the remnants that's left on the bottom of the pan we'll save for later when we're sautéing our vegetables. So I added 1 tablespoon of the chicken Knorr Professional jelly to some warm water, placed it on the stove, and I like to just simmer it through and reduce it down by at least 1/3 to get a really rich chickeny flavour. Next I added the onion and the leek and garlic into the pan that we cooked the bacon off in, and we sweated that down until everything was soft without any colour. Deglazed with the white wine to take the bacon remnants off the bottom of the pan and all that extra flavour. Reduced the wine down by half. Once the vegetables were sautéed and softened down, we added the Knorr Professional chicken bouillon and reduced a little bit further. Then I added the double cream and reduced by half. So next I added the cooked chicken and bacon and the picked tarragon leaves and stirred through. We added the pie mixture into some pie tins and just allowed to cool. And on a floured surface, prepared our puff pastry to the right size, crimped around the edge of the pie tin. I'm going to brush the top with egg yolk mixture all over to get a lovely golden finish. I'm going to put just a few holes in the top to release any excess steam. And now I'm going to place into the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. So once you remove from the oven, plate it up with just a side of green vegetables, and that's the final dish: chicken, bacon, tarragon and creme fraiche pie. The Knorr jelly complemented this dish. It has a great colour and a great consistency. So in pub kitchens, they're very small places, they're very compact, so you don't have time and space to be making fresh stocks. So we always need a product to go to that's easy and can replicate a fresh stock. So the Knorr chicken bouillon is fantastic for that.